Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install NordVPN on an Android TV. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Alright, so first up, we need to go ahead and find our Play Store, okay? Or sometimes on other TVs, it will be App Store. So just go ahead and find it, open it up, and then go ahead and look for the search bar. And below the search bar, you'll be able to see, or the search function, again, the search bar. Okay, so go ahead and type down NordVPN, or just Nord. Okay, and at the very bottom, you'll find it. So go ahead and select NordVPN. And then once done, you have the preview right here of the app. So go ahead and select it. After that, just go ahead and click on the download button. And once the download process is done, you'll be able to see this exact screen. So go ahead and click on accept or reject, and then just sign up or sign in with your NordVPN account. And that is how you install NordVPN on Android TV. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.